The Bridge of Dawn. Once upon a time, two great cities stood on opposite sides of a wide river. To the east was Eloria, and to the west, Bravemont. Both cities were strong, proud, and full of culture. But instead of being friends, they became rivals. They competed over trade, festivals, and strength. And the river between them became a wall that divided their hearts. Then one year, disaster struck. The river overflowed. Homes were destroyed. Fields were drowned. Both cities suffered terribly. At first, the leaders hesitated, too proud to ask for help. But the people acted differently. Farmers from Eloria crossed the river to help rebuild Bravemont's levees. Fishermen from Bravemont brought food to hungry families in Eloria. And children who once shouted insults across the water now worked together, laughing as they filled sandbags. Slowly, everyone began to see the truth. The river had never been a wall. It was a bridge waiting to be built. When the flood ended, the two cities built that bridge. They called it the Bridge of Dawn, a symbol of unity and a new beginning. From then on, Eloria and Bravemont were no longer rivals. They were allies, bound not by competition, but by friendship. And so, the story of two divided cities became the story of one united people.